Every second your WordPress dashboard is open, an invisible process is running in the background, quietly eating away at your server's CPU power. This is the WordPress Heartbeat API. It continuously sends pulses to your server via AJAX to handle tasks like auto-saving drafts and tracking user sessions. While useful, these frequent requests can easily overwhelm your hosting environment, cause random sluggishness, or even trigger 504 gateway errors. To manage this, we'll be configuring the Heartbeat Control module in Admin Optimizer. Instead of installing a separate, single-purpose optimization plugin, which only adds more code bloat to your site, Admin Optimizer integrates this powerhouse feature directly into your unified performance suite, giving you total control over your server resource consumption from one central hub. Once inside the Heartbeat Control module, you'll see that Admin Optimizer breaks down your control into 3 distinct areas of your website: admin pages, the front end, and the post editor. By default, WordPress allows the Heartbeat API to pulse aggressively across these zones. Our goal here is to establish a smart pacemaker that protects your server without sacrificing core backend functionality. Let's start with the general admin pages. This applies whenever you or your team are working inside the general WordPress dashboard, like managing plugins, reviewing comments, or updating settings. If you tend to leave multiple dashboard tabs open in your browser throughout the day, each of those tabs will constantly ping your server in the background. To rein in this silent resource drain, select Modify the Heartbeat frequency. You need to select a frequency based on your needs. To slow down resource drain, we recommend selecting a 1-minute or 2-minute delay here. Slowing down the frequency is ideal for solo creators and agency managers alike. It dramatically drops your background PHP worker usage while keeping your dashboard responsive and up to date. Next up is the front end. This controls the background pings triggered by regular public visitors browsing your website. For most standard websites, blogs, and corporate pages, the Heartbeat API serves absolutely no purpose on the front end. The only exception is if you run highly dynamic front-end features, like a native real-time community forum or live auction tickers. Since standard sites don't need this, you should select Disable the Heartbeat. Turning this off entirely removes unnecessary background overhead, leaving more server power dedicated to serving pages faster to your visitors. Now, let's look at the post editor. This is the most sensitive area because the Heartbeat API handles auto-saving your content and managing post locking, which prevents 2 authors from accidentally accessing the same page at the same time. Completely disabling this is risky because you lose your content safety net. Instead, we'll choose Modify the Heartbeat frequency and set it to 30 seconds. If you have a large editorial team with multiple writers actively working simultaneously, a tight 30-second window ensures your content is safely auto-saved without spiking the server's CPU usage. With all 3 zones precisely calibrated to match the site's workflow, click Save Changes to commit the new execution intervals directly to the environment. And just like that, your configurations are live. By establishing these boundaries, you've effectively neutralized one of the most common causes of uncacheable server load spikes in WordPress. Your server PHP workers are now free to focus entirely on critical tasks like processing checkouts, loading pages, and boosting your core web vitals. Tailoring your site's heartbeat parameters is a foundational step toward a highly stable, lightweight hosting infrastructure. Pair this module with Admin Optimizer's database and asset cleanup tools to unlock the true speed potential of your WordPress site.